John Crestani here. Why the heck does NordVPN sponsor so many YouTubers? Well, first, let's go into that. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a while. NordVPN is a famous affiliate program. They work with tons of people. So I'm very familiar with NordVPN, and they absolutely crush it. You know, they have a very aggressive affiliate program. But your question was, why are they sponsoring so many YouTubers? So let me break this down a little bit. Now, the reality is 99% of the people you see on social media doing videos for NordVPN, at the very least over 95%, are actually affiliates for NordVPN. A very small percentage, but still probably more than almost any other brand out there, are sponsored by NordVPN. Now, what does that mean? Okay, well, let me break this down because there's two different ways people are sponsored. Now, you may be thinking, NordVPN is approaching, YouTubers or content creators, and they're saying, here's $10,000, can you talk about us in a video, right? It's not what's really going on. Maybe that happened a few times. But what NordVPN is primarily doing with their few single-digit percentage of sponsorships of influencers is they're actually paying a CPM, meaning for every 1,000 views that you get, the YouTuber gets $15 CPM. So that YouTube pays about $5 CPM. So it means you're making about 3 times more from, in addition to your YouTube revenue by talking about NordVPN. So that's what a sponsorship is. And keep in mind, they're only paying after the fact. So it's not like they're, so there's a little bit of what I call de-risking there. But the question still remains, why do they sponsor so many YouTubers? Because they're making a ton of money doing it. And the other question is, why are so many YouTubers talking about their product without even being sponsored, just as an affiliate, meaning they only get paid if they get signups? NordVPN converts. If you talk about it on your YouTube channel, your TikTok, your whatever, you can make a lot of money. They have one of the best affiliate programs in the world. Their affiliates are making tens of millions a year. And I'm gonna dive into a step-by-step process for how you can sign up to be a NordVPN affiliate and get a part of this money, and what you should do. And I'll also go over the pros and cons of their program in just a second. First, let's break down some of the specifics of what you're getting paid with NordVPN's affiliate program. 100% commission for the first month. It's huge. That's competitive. Most of the brands out there like Nike and Adidas and all that stuff, they're offering at most 5% commissions. Amazon offers 2 to 5% commission on their products. Right, NordVPN's coming in with a 100% commission. That's crazy. And then after month 1, 30% recurring. So here's where we get into the beauty of affiliate marketing and working with software companies like NordVPN and why their program works so well, is the recurring commission. So first off, they're coming in hard with a 100% commission for the first month. That's huge. Okay? But then they're coming in with 30% recurring for life. That means if I can get 1,000 people to sign up for NordVPN, I can retire. I mean, I wouldn't live a great, crazy life, but I could retire. So what you make with NordVPN is, for an annual subscription to NordVPN, it's about $60. 100% of the first month of this, if you kind of do all the math, but let's just call it 30%. You're getting 100% of the first month, but this is an annual plan, so it's a little different. But you're making about $20. $20 a year per person. Now you get 1,000 people signed up to NordVPN, you're making $20,000 a year, but it's for life, okay? Now it's not a lot, but the point is you're getting recurring commissions for the lifetime, and that's a great proposition. You get 10,000 people signed up for NordVPN, you're making $200,000 a year. And they have very low churn rate. I'm not sure of what the churn rate is. But that's why their program pays out so much. Now, the steps to get set up with NordVPN's affiliate program, it's really easy. Search NordVPN affiliate program, sign up, fill out their application to be an affiliate. You have to put in your banking information, you have to have a method of promotion, and you can sign up. It's not difficult from other affiliate applications. Obviously, it's expected you're going to be posting on social media. But let's talk about the pros and cons of being a part of NordVPN's affiliate program and why might you not want to be a part of their affiliate program? Now, we already talked about a lot of the pros. We talked about a lot of money. They have one of the most competitive affiliate programs out there. We talked about recurring lifetime commissions, okay? And very aggressive business practice, but very good for you as an affiliate. These are all great, okay? Now, what are the cons, though? Now, the cons are to really sell NordVPN. You have to be creating content. You can't just sit on your butt. You can't just hope for some magic internet button that you can press that's going to make you money. The other con about their affiliate program is most of the money is made on the recurring. It's not a lot of money in the beginning, right? Because it's only like 12 bucks a month. So even if you get 100% commission on 12 bucks, you're not making what I call the sweet spot of affiliate marketing. The sweet spot of affiliate marketing is between $50 to $150 commission day one. Meaning the first, you put up your ad, somebody clicks on your page, an hour later, you're seeing a $100 commission, okay? You're not getting that. So it's, I'd say, hard if you're doing paid traffic. I don't really see much of an opportunity with their affiliate program with paid traffic. That's what I do for affiliate marketing. I spend money. I want to spend, if I'm spending $100 promoting a product, I want to make back, $150 to $200 that same day. It's what I teach in my mentorship program. There should be a link somewhere below. If you're just looking to learn a little bit about affiliate marketing, I don't teach paid advertising in my book, but I introduce people, it's free, and I introduce you to the affiliate model in my book. It's in the description. So hard for paid. Cons are you have to create content constantly. And I'd say furthermore, it's not just about creating content, but you have to build trust. You have to build trustworthy content. Because again, the fact that most of the commissions are recurring is that people need to stick. You can't just get that money day one and be like, haha. People want to see that consistency, but they need to trust you. And that's why so many influencers promote it, because influencers are trusted by nature. I'd say the other pro with NordVPN is huge market, okay? Basically everyone who uses the internet cares somewhat about their privacy or being able to access content that might be censored in their home country. In America, we're censored a ton. In a lot of countries around the world, censored a ton. I hope that was informative. I hope you learned a little bit. And let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts about NordVPN's affiliate program? You're thinking of joining, promoting, not joining, promoting? Why? Why not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any value to add to the discussion, maybe there's something I was wrong about in talking about the program, or maybe there's something you'd like to add information to, post it in the comments. We're trying to build a community of space colonizing Christian cyborgs here. The goal is to make a lot of money on Earth and then go colonize space. And, I'm trying to build a community. So if you're with me, add some comments, subscribe, and like this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. See ya.